Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect MailerLite to Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you log in using your Shopify account. Then in the new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, just start typing MailerLite, then press enter. And from the list of apps, let's choose MailerLite Email Automation. Then just click on Install. Then you will be asked to accept some app permissions. Then just click on Install. Next is you're just going to connect and authorize your MailerLite account. But if you still don't have an existing MailerLite account, you can easily just sign up for one by clicking on this link. But if you already have one, just click on Connect. Next is just authorize the request by clicking on authorize button. And just by that, we have now successfully connected our MailerLite account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!